Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How eggs can help you come off Wegovy. Cracking the problem of weight regain. Weight loss injections like Wegovy and Mounjaro have become popular, but the challenge is maintaining weight loss after stopping the medication. Once people stop taking GLP-1 drugs, they tend to regain more than half the weight they lost, as the body's appetite hormones and metabolism rebound. Eggs can be a helpful natural alternative to help ease off GLP-1 drugs or replace some of their effects. Eggs are nutritious, sustainable, and affordable. Eating eggs can help people feel fuller for longer and eat less at later meals, due to the effects on appetite hormones like GLP-1 and ghrelin. Eggs can also help preserve muscle mass, which is often lost when taking GLP-1 drugs and restricting food intake. Eggs provide important nutrients that people on GLP-1 drugs may be deficient in, like vitamin D, calcium, and other vitamins and minerals. As more people come off powerful weight loss medications, simple foods like eggs could play an important role in maintaining weight loss. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.